Hello everyone, it's Caleb FX again, and today I am super excited to bring you another amazing, wonderful, profitable boom and crash scalping strategy. Oh my god, this strategy is so simple. I made it so simple that a novice in forex, somebody that doesn't know how to trade forex, can trade and be profitable trading the boom and crash market. You can actually trade, scalp the boom and crash market with this amazing simple strategy I'm bringing to you. Like I promised you, I said I'm going to give you only the best of the best, because Caleb FX, I'm not the best, but I will bring you the best. And if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, please do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I drop new content, you will be notified. And don't forget, please join my free Telegram channel where I'll be dropping trading materials, trading tools, indicators, EAs, robots, educational materials, PDF, video files, anything you can find about trading, you will find it in my free Telegram channel. Please join and you will never regret joining it. Okay, before I begin, I want to take this quote that says, trading is like driving a car. The beginning is difficult, but when someone shows you the right way and you start to master it, trading becomes so easy. Yes, with that being said, let's roll. Let's begin. So, first of all, I will add the indicators to my chart. It's only 2 indicators I'm using. Now, first of all, if you don't know how to add indicators to your chart, you want to pay attention attentively. Now, for you to add indicators, click on this sign here. When you click that sign, you see this sign, click it, then go down to Bill Williams indicators, and you will see accelerator oscillator. That's the first indicator you will put. So just click it. Now when you click it, set the pixel to 4, the color to green, and value down color to white. I don't know the colors you want to use, but this is the colors I use. Value up green, value down is white. Then you say done. Now it has been added. You see the AC has been added. Now you go again to add the second indicator. Then you still click on that sign, that F sign here. Then you click on main chart. You click on main chart, this one here. Then click it. Then you still come down to Bill Williams indicators, and you select awesome oscillator, which is this one here. Awesome oscillator, this one here. Now when you click it, set same settings, your liner weight pixel to 4, then your styles, value up green, value down white. Now there is no levels down, then click done. We are using only 2 indicators in this strategy. 2 indicators. Like I told you, simplicity is the key. Simplicity is the key to becoming a profitable forex trader. make your chart so clean that you are seeing what is happening in the market. Now, how did you trade this system? What are the indications? What are the triggers? What are the signs that shows you that you sell or you buy? Now, number one, when the accelerator oscillator and the awesome oscillator all become green, you buy on crash assets. And when the accelerator oscillator and the awesome oscillator all becomes white, you sell on boom assets. Now, what is your target? Your target is 3 candlesticks and you are out of the market. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's go and see what I just said. Okay, let's look for trades and trade. Now we are on boom 500. Now, like I said, on boom 500, when the accelerator oscillator and the awesome oscillator all become white, you sell on boom assets. Now, in this trade, there is no trade yet, so we are going to wait for the AO, the awesome oscillator, to become white, then we sell this market. Now our aim is 3 candlesticks and we are out of the market. Meanwhile, let's back test this strategy and see what we are saying. Now let's back test. Now you see this point here, this point here, the accelerator oscillator and the awesome oscillator all becoming white here. 1, 2, 3. So you would have sold this market and made 3 candlesticks and you are out. Then let me go again. Then here is another trade. Here 1, here the AO and the OC all becoming white. 1, 2, 3. You see the reason why I said you should take 3 candlesticks. You see 1, 2, 3. At the 4th candlestick there was a spike. Now let's back test. Let's back test and see. Let's here 1, 2, 3, and you are out of the market. When you see on boom assets, when you see the awesome oscillator and the accelerator oscillator all becoming white, you sell. And when you take 3 candlesticks, you are out of the market. Don't be greedy, follow instruction. Now here the AC and the AO all becoming white. 1, 2, 3, you are out of the market. Then let's back test and see. Let's back test. This strategy is so simple, you can make money with it. Now this is where another trade, this is where the AC and the AO all becoming white. So here you must have entered the market and you take 1, 2, 3 and you are out of the market. 3 candlestick, you are out of the market. If you do this for the whole day, you are going to make massive profits. This is another trade. This is where the AC and the AO all becoming white. 1, 2, 3, and you are out of the market. Then let me go backward. This is another trade again. You see here the AC and the AO all becoming white. So 1, 2, 3, and you are out of the market. 3 candlestick and you are out of the market. Okay, now you can see trades again and again with this strategy. So now let's test other assets. Let's go to crash. 1000. And let me show you more trades on Crash 1000. On Crash 1000, I said when the accelerator oscillator and the awesome oscillator all becoming green, you buy on Crash assets. Get that? So now in this market, you see here, the markets, the AC and the AO all becoming green. So you collect 1, 2, 3, and you are out of the market. Then let's back test. There is another trade here. 1, 2, 3. You see the reason why I said you should take 3 candlesticks? 1, 2, 3. At the 4th candlestick, there was a spike. There is a spike. You see? That's why you should follow instruction. Take 3 candlesticks and you are out of the market. Then let's back test and see. Let's back test. You see here? You see the markets all becoming green. The AC and the AO all becoming green. So you take 1, 2, 3 candlesticks and you are out of the market. 3 candlesticks and you are out of the market. 3. Here is another trade again. 1, 2, 3. You see all becoming green. You are out of the market. Follow simple instructions. This is another trade again. 1, 2, 3. You are out of the market. You are out for good. You are out. Now let's look for another trade again. This is another trade. You see here the AC and the AO all becoming green. So you take 1, 2, 3 candlesticks and you are out of the market. Then let's back test. This is another trade. Here the markets all becoming green. The AC and the AO becoming green. You take 1 candlestick, 2 candlestick, 3 candlestick, and you are out of the market. Now let's go. You will see trades. If you can do this the whole day, you will flip your account. 1, 2, 3. You are out of the market. You are out for good. Now this is another trade. You see this trade. Now 1, 2, 1, 2. A spike caught you, but the amazing thing about this trade, this system is that even though a spike caught you, if you follow the system, you will recover all your loss. See, the market went up and you recovered your loss. So follow simple instructions. That's what will make you a profitable trader in forex market. Then this is another trade again. From here you enter the market. 1, 2, 3, and you are out of the market. I hope I'm communicating. This is another trade again. All the AC and the AO becoming green. You enter 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You are out of the market. Now this is on we are on 1 minute time frame. Now you can trade this system with 5 minutes time frame. Now I personally trade the 5 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, I take 10 to 15 candlestick every time. Now let me show you. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame and see what I'm saying. Now on 5 minutes time frame, the same thing. On boom assets, when the accelerator oscillator and the awesome oscillator all become white, you sell on boom assets. Now on crash assets, I said accelerator oscillator and the awesome oscillator all become green, you buy on crash assets. Now look at what is happening here. All becoming green here. At this point, all becoming green. Here you must have taken. Here you can decide to take 2 to 3 candlesticks, but I take 2. Like I said, I take 2, which is 10 candlesticks. So 1, 2. I'm out of the market. Now when you take 2 candlesticks, you should know that you are taking 10 candlesticks on time frame 5 time frame. So now let's backtest this strategy on 5 minutes time frame and see how accurate it is. Now this is another trade, all becoming green. 1 2 3 or 2, you are out, but take 2 on 5 minutes time frame. Take 2 is okay, 2 is okay. Then this is another trade again. 1 2, you are out of the market. 10 candlesticks, you are out of the market. Then we go again. This is another place. This is one of the reasons I said you should take only 2 candlesticks and you are out of the market. This is another trade. This is where the AC and the AO are becoming green. So you take 1 2 and you are out of the market. But when you apply price action into this strategy, you will make more. You will take 15 candlesticks, but you should know when to get out of the market with price action. So let's go. This is another trade on 5 minutes. You will have collected 1 2 because all becoming green. Now let me take you to boom 1000 and see on 5 minutes time frame. Boom 1000. Now on boom 1000, you are supposed to be selling when all the AC and the AO all becoming white. As you can see now, there is a trade here, all becoming white. So what do? You enter this trade. What do? You sell this market. Now let me sell this market. Now I'm selling this market 2 times. I took 2 trades now because it meets our trade requirements. You can see that all becoming white. You see, so I'm expected to collect already. This candle is already ending. So after this candle ends, I'll take the next candle. When the next candle ends, I take profit. Now let's wait for this trade while I go forward to continue with the tutorial. I'll wait for that trade. But let's see other trades here. Other trades, as you can see here, all becoming white. You see the AC and the AO becoming white. So 1 2, you are out of the market. 1 2, you are out of the market. 2 candlesticks, you sell and you are out of the market. Now let's see here. 1 2, you are out of the market. 1 2, you are out of the market. 1 2, you are out of the market. This is another trade again, all becoming white. 1 2, you are out of the market. Okay 1 2, you are out of the market. Now this is how you trade the system. If you follow the instruction, you are going to make money in the market massively. You are going to make money. You are going to make money massively with this simple but accurate strategy I brought to you. Now with that being said, it's Caleb FX again, and I thank you for watching my video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop new content, you'll be notified. And don't forget to join my free Telegram channel where I be dropping so many trading tools, trading materials, educational materials. You will never regret joining my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel. Please, if you have any comments on below. If you want to contact me, my WhatsApp is there, my Telegram is there, please, on the description. I'm still your favorite forex trader, Caleb FX. I'm out for now.